Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition driver's side power window switch that fits a variety of vehicles, including a Dodge Ram, Dodge Grand Caravan, Journey Nitro, as well as the Chrysler Town & Country and the Jeep Liberty. So let's take a look at this switch. The first thing I want to point out is you'll see that both the front window buttons have auto. So if you need a replacement switch for your vehicle, you want to make sure that your factory switch is auto on both of these buttons. There's a number of switches for the Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep vehicles that look similar to this, but don't work. So first thing you want to do is make sure the auto matches up properly. Now, if we flip this over too, the other thing we can look at is the electrical terminals. So you can see there's a row of terminals here, and then there's 2 pins here. And then you can see there's only 3 pins here. So you want to make sure this matches your factory switch. Aside from that, once you match this up and make sure it's the correct switch, installation is pretty straightforward. You can see there's 2 clips here, 2 clips here. Your factory switch, you can pry from this end here and it pops up. You disconnect the 2 electrical connectors and then reconnect it, and your installation is complete. Now, like any of the parts we sell, if you have any questions about the installation or the part itself, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.